Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing, LLC. Our phone number is 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web at 99lifts.com. Today here we have sitting here with 1,914 hours. It has a 10-foot mast, brand new rubber all the way around, ladies and gentlemen. This unit has been completely refurbished. What that means is we check it out with a 25-point inspection. We make sure that everything's ready to go. Whenever we find a bad hose, we replace it. We find a bad bearing, we replace it. If we find a bad pin or bushing, that also gets replaced. We take the cage off, we take the seat off, the diamond plating off, and different parts that we can easily remove. We clean this baby up and put a nice paint job on here. It looks great. If you're outside, it glistens in the sun. You will look professional when you have this forklift. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you also get an operational guarantee. We're so confident in this unit. We know we're going to get it to you. You're going to start it up and go right to work. If you can't, then we have a method of helping you get your unit the way it's supposed to be. Also, your Kubota engine gets a 30-day warranty. What more could you ask for? You can buy with confidence when you buy from Equipment Remarketing. Now we're going to get up close and show you how nice this thing is. There's new gray paint, new red paint. Everything is put back together. You're going to get a long-lasting, rust-free paint job. Now we're going to walk around and show you the nice back tire, the back door looking nice. Everything's repainted, new decals. This unit's in great condition. The rims are painted. You're ready to go to work. As you can see, there's evidence of a new hose where it was needed, and any of the parts that we found bad were replaced with that 25-point inspection. You have nice tires in front here. We'll show you the forks. This one actually has a backrest. That's a little bit rare, so you get that included with your purchase. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to walk around here, and we're going to give you a special treat. Carrie's going to hop on, fire up this Kubota, and you're going to move it back and forth to show you how nicely the hydraulics work. Hear that thing fire to life. Now, ladies and gentlemen, backward and forward. Look how smooth that runs. Everything's tight. Pumps, motors, everything's good. Now the mast going up and down. You can see no squeaks and squeals. We're going to show you tilt, side shift. As you can see, everything's tight. Pins, bushings, rollers, chains. Now the mast carriage going in and out. This thing runs great and operates great. Why buy new when you're going to get everything from us with satisfaction? Now you can see the outriggers going up and down. Okay, now we're going to shut it off. We're going to end the video. Once again, this is Equipment Remarketing. You can reach us at 260-238-4998. You can also see us on the web at 99lifts.com. I'm going to go ahead and add, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. We have up to 50 units in stock, ready to go to work. So if this is not the particular lift you want, we have Moffett's, Princeton's, and other brands. 2-ways, 4-ways, extra reach, whatever you need, good chance we have it. If you don't see it here, we also have about 200 units outside ready to be refurbished, waiting to go through the process so that you can go to work. Thank you for checking out this video, ladies and gentlemen, and you have yourself a wonderful day.